Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today my mom is going to be making this delicious cauliflower paneer paratha. It's soft and fluffy. It's nutritious to eat as well. I know you're hungry right now. This video is for you. Our ingredients for this tasty cauliflower paneer paratha is 1 bowl of blanched cauliflower. That means you put the cauliflower in water and with some salt and turmeric. Make sure you put it in hot water so that you can kill off all of the germs and insects that are in it. And then some scrambled paneer, 1 bowl of palak. You can use any kind of spinach or you don't need to use it at all. This is optional. 3 green chilies, some cloves of garlic, a few ginger, half teaspoon of ajwain powder and half teaspoon of cumin powder, some coriander leaves, and turmeric. Those are ingredients for this cauliflower paneer paratha. Here, in the first step, is you take in a bowl and put 1 cup of flour. And then we've added the required amount of salt. And you mix. Then you add some water until you get a dough. Now our dough is ready. Keep it aside for later. Now we're going to take a food processor and put our chilies, the garlic, our ginger, and then you mix. If you don't have a food processor, you can also chop them finely as well. The same way, we're going to add our cauliflower and you blend. Now our cauliflower mixture is ready. In a pan, add some oil and then add our cauliflower mixture and you saute for a nice 2 minutes. In the same way, we're going to add our spinach and we'll blend. Now we're going to add our spinach into our cauliflower and salt. Now you add the required amount of salt and mix. Make sure you don't add the paneer mixture right now. When our cauliflower and spinach mixture is almost cooked, then you can add the paneer. Now our cauliflower mixture is ready. We have added the crumbled paneer and now we're going to add our spices. Ajwain powder, cumin powder, a little bit of turmeric, and coriander leaves, and you saute. Now our stuffing is ready. We have added 1 spoon of rava because when you put this in the dough, the stuffing might come out. So if you add this, it will
bind well.
Now, after your stuffing is ready, make sure it cools down completely. Then you can make your paratha. Now take our dough, roll it into a ball, put it in some flour, and you roll. And now you add the stuffing and you fold. And then you mix. Put it in some flour and roll. Until you get this kind of shape. Now when you get this nice big kind of circle shape, we're going to make one more in the exact same way. Now I've taken a pan and put it on medium flame. And we've put our paratha on the pan. And we're coating it with, and then just flip it. So good once more. And then you add some oil. And cook it on high flame. And now, instead of using oil, you can add ghee as well. Now you can see our paratha is ready. We're going to make one more in the same way. And now our delicious and yummy cauliflower paneer paratha is ready. You can eat with pickle or with any curry of your choice. It's a delicious way to include all of your vegetables in a diet for this one recipe. It's really soft and fluffy. It's really good to eat. You can eat for breakfast or lunch. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like, please like and share with other people so they can enjoy the same taste that you had. And make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I make a video. Thank you guys. Stay safe. Peace.